In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record customization for objects in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to navigate to the actual object right there. So it can be a contact, companies, deals, or tickets. You can head over and click onto the search in order to go to there. So for example, let's go over to the deals. Click onto the deals right here, and we should be able to see its actual interface. After that, you just need to navigate to the settings, which is the gear icon. So here we have our gear icon for this actual board setting for this actual deal. You can also choose right here the actual deal that you want to choose from and that you want to edit. So we have in here this deal. You can head over and click on it, then explore it. You can see right here the deal details. And then you just need to locate the objects option that it has available. You can edit properties for the actual objects that we have right here as well as their activities. You can see the contacts, companies, codes, and the likes for this one as well. So for this case, you can just edit it out however you want and customize your properties, layouts, and after that, just save it and apply. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.